Welcome to this video on the principles of semiconductor carrier mobility. We will be understanding scattering, temperature dynamics, and macroscopic limits in this video. Carrier mobility is the fundamental metric determining how easily electrons and holes move through a semiconductor material. High mobility means a smooth flow, while low mobility results in frequent obstructions and an erratic path. Mobility is directly dictated by the probability of carrier scattering. More frequent collisions lead to a lower mean free time, which mathematically results in lower mobility. The journey of a carrier is obstructed by two fundamental mechanisms, dictated primarily by thermal energy and material doping: lattice scattering and impurity scattering. Lattice scattering, caused by the thermal vibration of the crystal lattice, dominates at high temperatures. As temperature rises, these vibrations increase in amplitude, leading to more frequent carrier collisions. Impurity scattering occurs due to interaction with charged ions, or dopants, and is the dominant condition at low temperatures. Slower-moving carriers spend more time near charged ions and are more likely to be deflected. Lattice scattering dominates at high temperatures and is caused by thermal crystal vibrations. Impurity scattering dominates at low temperatures, is caused by charged ions, and scales with impurity concentration. When a carrier is subjected to multiple scattering mechanisms, their individual mobilities do not simply average out. They add inversely, as shown by the formula, to determine total mobility. Due to the inverse mathematical relationship, the overall carrier behavior is dictated by the most severe constraint in the system. The lowest individual mobility acts as the ultimate bottleneck. A material's total macroscopic conductivity relies directly on the combined mobility of its participating electrons and holes. This relationship is quantified by the conductivity formula. Increased temperature or doping leads to increased scattering, which lowers mobility. This, in turn, lowers conductivity and results in higher electrical resistance. At low electric fields, mobility is constant, following Ohm's law. However, at extreme electric fields, the linear relationship collapses, meaning Ohm's law is broken. Velocity saturation occurs at extreme electric fields. Energy transfers directly into the crystal lattice, instead of increasing carrier velocity, resulting in a nearly constant current regardless of additional field strength. Mobility is intrinsically linked to diffusion, the other primary current conduction process. The Einstein relation mathematically unifies drift and diffusion, allowing mobility to be calculated from diffusion properties. This chart summarizes the complete framework of semiconductor carrier mobility, linking environmental factors like temperature and doping to scattering mechanisms, integration, boundaries, and macro outputs like resistance and diffusion. In summary, mobility is driven by mean free time and constrained by scattering probability. Mechanisms include lattice scattering at high heat and impurity scattering at low heat and high doping. Multiple scattering mechanisms combine inversely, with the lowest mobility dictating the system. Microscopic mobility directly determines macroscopic conductivity, and high fields trigger velocity saturation.